Power manifestation souls. Space for powerful bachelors and spinsters' way of life. Nature Sai. In between Satya Sai and Prem Sai. No one can grasp that type of spiritual power of the space, wireless space. What can be the affirmations for power manifestation souls in tune with ME spirituality? I say, they should think about the soul power and say to themselves, no one has the power over me. It's king ways, powerful souls' deliberations to create destiny. They are not slaves of any system or any human system. Soul system, cosmic consciousness. Their connections are beyond human laws to the divine laws or the cosmic laws, not with ordinary mundane life of so many varieties of toxic energies. That's why they should feel themselves that nobody has the power over me. That should be the way of one perceiving one's own ability to grasp the power management. Highest three syllabus, Kingdom of MESSOULS, Soul Source Economy. It's totally different economy to create huge wealth. Then where is those who do not have any power in the wrong path to look at me or to interpret, since there are no eyes on me? I never allow anybody to interpret me. So it is power management team to create huge wealth in organizing me unit space everywhere. It's a living God system. How can anybody grasp that type of things? Who is the owner of the mind? I am the owner of my mind, my body, my intellect, my ego. Nobody has the ownership of me or my mind. So where is the question of others controlling me? Or me controlling others' mind? Everybody has got one's own freedom. That's where in Nija Oorja Yogic life, under Nija Oorja Yogic tree, and messengers of love and religion of love is extraordinarily perceiving the divinity, the cosmic consciousness, the power. Then it is not just ordinary way of one somehow eking out a life. I don't like slaves. If anybody commands to me brand souls anything, if they are slaves, they will go along with that. But me brand souls are not security men or any other small versions, but they have the power to command and demand. That's why power management and power versions have always the power of spirituality, not the political power, not the power of any mundane life. It's the power of love within, the power of truth, the power of the values. The values has nothing to do with any social values of so many wrong systems. It is the values of evolution, highest education, various wonderful things that make realization possible. So it's a millennium change, a change towards Satya Yuga. All those who cannot grasp spirituality, why should they waste their time and energy on spiritual matters, especially in ME spirituality? That's why It is distinguishably different from all types of past lives of anybody. So, affirmation is essential. Those who do not have any power, they cannot create any destiny. Those who do not have any power, how can they grow? So, growth stories are only with power management. It's not given to any families or grihasthas, especially in Kerala. Various souls who really want that type of power only. Power manifestation souls, power manifestation categories, power manifestation groups. The three groups are totally different. Power manifestation souls have proximity power and purpose. Power manifestation groups can invest provided with specifications of highest three. It is not just some space. Specifications are essential to identify which space they belong. And power manifestation categories have got the bodyguard system. That's why I say the powerful new modern LTT like systems with God consciousness or Sai consciousness, then they can also feel how they are going to be totally different from the past experiences. They have to protect the real sattvic and souls who require that type of bodyguard system, the huge business in it too. So many varieties of bodyguard systems are created for MESSOULS, me space for MESSOULS. That's why I do not belong to Christianity, I don't belong to Islam, I don't belong to Hinduism. I belong to God or God consciousness. Then my system is Sanatana Yogic system. My religion is the religion of love. It doesn't have any belief system. It is full of meditations. So, it's a storm like coming. It's loving storm with highest clarity of a vision and a mission. Then I am here in this planet that makes so wonderful life for MESSOULS around the globe. Then they should find meditative life with affirmations of various kinds there. I have the power within. I am not a slave of others. I can create my destiny. I am not following anybody's system. I am in the straighteousness, straight right, straight left, and straight straight. I am going to be the powerful souls, not any weak souls. Only powerful souls can create destiny. Weak souls can never create any destiny. They will become always slaves of others. So beware and aware about me brand soul, the future would be souls, and the bachelor bungalow souls and spinster bungalow souls and elderly bungalow souls. These concepts are going to be a real worthy life for MESSOULS, Nijasai groups. So that itself is the way in which I am showing the mighty path through power manifestation souls. Straight? Few words. Keep moving. Roll it on. Left you all.